A glimpse of the liquid cooling loop. It's truly a sight to behold. And now, the legendary Gold Edition. Features a stunning gold color scheme. If you want a phone that truly stands out, especially if you appreciate a premium black and gold aesthetic, then, this device is made just for you. Gold embossed characters. 4 prominent letters. The pinion reads, Feng Sheng Shui Qi, signifying rising prosperity. The RedMagic logo. Exactly, this is the RedMagic 11 Legendary Gold Edition. The dark patterned packaging looks exquisite. Slowly, opening it up. Lifting it up, gently. The accessories are neatly arranged. The gold packaging feels very premium. The full set of accessories. We have to take this unboxing seriously. Taking out the rights card. Legendary Gold. All metal with a unique serial number underneath. Kevlar texture on the back. Talk about a premium experience. Picking up the device, it has a satisfying weight to it. Gently sliding it out. The pure flat screen is truly unique in the industry. An ultra-small corner radius. It's essentially perfectly rectangular. Check out the high-gloss metal frame on the sides. And the alien tech, a 3.5mm headphone jack. The side design might look complex at first. But don't worry, every element has its own purpose. The color palette is a mix of silver and pale gold. The mode toggle switch below. Now, features a raised texture. Physical side vents. For the high-speed centrifugal fan. Now, let's look at the back. Truly deserving of the legendary gold title. This rear design is absolutely one of a kind. The entire back panel is completely flat. There isn't a single protrusion. It is protected by sapphire glass. It looks absolutely stunning. The feeling, when you run your hand across it, is pure satisfaction for anyone with OCD. Simply put, this device, whether viewed from the front or the back, offers a perfectly consistent, tactile feel. As for the design, it features a black and gold color scheme. The outer frame is predominantly black, looking quite understated, tapering towards the center. You see, glossy silver, accented with gold highlights. The iconic fan vent has been transformed into a golden rotor, with horizontal gold line accents, and the legendary gold inscription. Let's focus on the bottom. This generation of RedMagic 11 introduces a liquid cooling loop. It is truly impressive. That is right, it is this specific version. The liquid cooling loop we unboxed before was already quite stunning. And now, the legendary Gold Edition has adopted a golden theme. It is like having liquid gold inside. It is indeed gorgeous. The upper section features a quad aperture camera setup. Over here is the ring-shaped fill light, observed from different angles. It is consistently eye-catching. When we place it on a desk, it is a completely flat back panel. There is no wobbling at all. Powering on and entering the system. Below is our adorable Mora. Entering the home screen. The Wukong screen has no openings at all. In this all-new legendary gold colorway. With these narrow bezels, and this small corner radius, it is essentially zero. The perfectly rectangular design is truly unique. Now for the full set of accessories. It comes with 2 original data cables, featuring finely braided wiring. They are thick and sturdy, specially customized for RedMagic. The 99cm dual USB-C cables, paired with the charger, feature a Kevlar texture. They also follow the black and gold theme, with the legendary gold inscription 20V6, a max 120W high voltage charging scheme, 2 charging cables. The other one is for use with the external cooler. If you feel the built-in active cooling fan, combined with the liquid cooling system, isn't enough, then there is also this external cooler, paired with a magnetic plate, also in the matching black and gold color scheme. This is the Dow Power Cooling Fan, another excellently crafted product by RedMagic, and a beautifully designed sim-eject tool. When lit up, the fan looks like a turbine engine, clearly visible from both the back and the sides. The official Kevlar case offers a more low-profile look, perfect for a professional work setting. But, after work, this is the state you want to be in. The perfect screen form, the Wukong screen. It is absolutely flawless from every angle.